All right, so I am supposed to be in Nigeria now, but I had to come to Ivory Coast because of something really important. It's so important that even when I could not reroute my flight that is supposed to take me to Nigeria to Ivory Coast, I had to book a fresh flight using Emirates, which costs a lot of money. But this is way more important than money because it concerns the life of a lot of young girls in Nigeria and across Africa. So last month, we rescued some girls that were trafficked for sex to Ivory Coast. It was really difficult, but it happened. So I'm going to be posting the pictures of the traffickers and the girls, and so that people will know how crazy this whole thing is. So on the 7th of February, 2025, I got this message from this lady. This lady contacted me. Her name is Prissy TV on TikTok. So she contacted me with this message where she said, "Good morning, bro. Some ladies reached out to me that they were trafficked. They saw my post on TikTok and contacted me. So she attached it with these people. These are the alleged traffickers. As you can see, this is this picture. They even shared this number with me. Anyways, so when they sent it to me, I said, Madam, they should make a video saying they were trafficked and say the name of the traffickers, because that is the most important details that I need. I want to see the face of the people. Let it not be like they are just coming out to talk." So that was when these girls sent this video. So let me play the video.
Good evening. Good evening. My name is Juliet Akoto. I hail from Delta State. And Amanda. Okay. Chibabanda. I'm 19 years old. Okay. I'm from Anambra State. Okay.
I'm Kezia from Kaduna State.
We all were brought to Cote d'Ivoire in the aspect of we are coming to Cote d'Ivoire to work in a super mall, a restaurant, and all that, not knowing that we're called to do prostitution. Yeah, this is one of the rooms in which we sleep with men for 2,000 naira.
Let me video it so that
We
see it.
This is one of the rooms which we sleep with men to collect money to balance them 2.2 million CFA. So we were taken to swear. We were taken to swear an oath, each and everybody, to swear an oath to balance up the 2.2 million CFA. And it has not been easy. We have to sleep with different kind of men just to give them the money. Please, we need your help because we need to live here. We are suffering, especially this girl. She's just a little girl that doesn't have a mother or father. Neither my friend over here. We know that we're coming to do this here in Cote d'Ivoire. Please, sir, if you can help us, we'll be very happy. Thank you very much, sir.
I had to cover their faces because of the stigma and how people will look at them in the society if their faces are being published. Now, if you listen to that video properly, first things first, you would understand first of all that those girls have already started sleeping with men and making returns to their orgas. Secondly, in the video, they said that they took them to go and swear juju that they will not run, and if they run, something bad will happen to them. Now, the main reason why they came to Ivory Coast, according to the video, is that those people told them that there's a job opportunity in a very big mall in Ivory Coast. And considering that their currency is bigger than ours in Nigeria, they decided to come, not knowing that it was prostitution. And on reaching here, they didn't have any other option than to start doing the prostitution. Take a good look at the environment where these girls are using to sleep with people. And see the other one, 19 years without a mother. 19 years old girl, how did they deceive herself? But anyways, so immediately we asked them that how do you people get to Nigeria? That was when they said they need about 65,000 CFA, which is equivalent to 200,000 naira, and they will need it for 3 people. But they said 500k will be enough for them to escape through the night. Now they could not use flights because of the passport issues, right? Because how you take come, you came through road, you know, if you use flights, one can they run again, you know, understand? So we had to start looking for a way for them to move through road. So I sent 500,000 that night. So as you can see, the sum of 500,000 naira sent on the 9th of February 2025 at 10:26 p.m. I even put a remark to say traffic victims. Now, moving on, we started following up on the matter, and then I asked them to send the videos of their madam. So this is the picture of the madam. This is a short video of the madam. Her name is Adana Gold 6 on TikTok. This is a picture of her in the mall, and this is also a video of her in Nigeria. See how she look very innocent. You're not gonna say all this one stand and what did they do with that. Now, when this girl started planning to escape, somebody now tipped off the guys. And listen to what he's saying here.
About I call you, will they talk to you, you end call. I want to get something very straight to you. First and foremost, I don't know you. You came, we told you about the travel. You asked, we told you about the travel, told you everything. Everything, we tell you everything. You say you did game, you are in. We even took you in as our own good person. Like, we took you very, very close. Very, very close. We showed you love, showed you friendship. Something I don't even do. Now you collide to betray someone that spent money to bring you over. May you come hustle pay. I don't get much thing to say. I don't have much. See you, CJ, I don't even have much thing to say. But still tell J, tell him say, I don't even want to talk plenty safe. I don't want to say all of now I know everything. When I know everything about our process, how everything take go. See that money where on agree to pay. The agreement is still bound, and you must keep to the agreement. I never even talk anything safe. I never even make any move or anything. But the agreement is bound. You accepted to go with your full chest, your full mind. Nobody force you. J own self. If I even talk on your own day part, see J own self. I never even get what I want talk. J where I come on myself, protect. I use everything I get to back that girl. Sometimes she didn't even travel. She carry my own box, my own personal box that I bought almost 50-something thousand. I give her, make her use travel. Everything I give her, I say money this. I back her up even when nobody was there for her. Jay, they cry, this one, everything. I stand for her. Now she get mine, go they do rubbish for there. I never forget anything to tell her. But send my voice note to her. Make she kukuma best to her, go back to her boss. Apologize, start her hustle and pay up her money. If she don't pay her money and she agree, if she won't come back or she won't go hand over herself to anybody, fine. But money when she agreed to pay, the agreement, she will keep it. She will keep to it so long as I'm concerned. Nobody forced her. She on her own says she's ready to travel. She wants to travel. Send her my message, and you, if you know what is good for you, bundle yourself, go beg your boss, come back, start your hustle, jelly. Other girls they there, they hustle. Other girls they there, bend down, low key, they hustle. People will bend down, we know what carry them come. When I go there, they do it. I don't even care what you guys are doing. But I want to sound it as warning to you on this day. By tomorrow, next tomorrow, make una no push me. Oh. Make una know you guys should not push me. You see the very bad side of me.
Sis, I beg them that we should continue our hustle. Mama, this is the voice note the guy that actually took us there to send to Keziah now. The guy that is dating Adana's boyfriend. Because of money now, he's telling us that we should go back to our bosses and beg them that we should continue our hustle.
Now, if you listen to this guy's voice note properly, you would understand that it seems like that guy actually told those girls that they were coming here to come and do something out of the ordinary. But that's by the way. Nobody have the right to move girls out of Nigeria to go anywhere around the world for sex, for money. You don't have that right. It is wrong. Why you not carry your own family members? Even your family members say, you have no right. You have no right. This is their body. You carry them in to sleep with people, multiple men, for money. You people have no limit to what you people can do for money. You have no limit. You no care. So if those girls later end up with HIV or something worse, an infection where go claim their life, you no go care because of money. See the way they tell them they return back. Like say they talk to animals. Anyways, when they send the voice notes, I didn't want to pay attention to the voice note. I just told them, I said, you know what? The most important thing is for the girls to return. So we kept on following. Then they said they were going to cross the border very soon. At the end of the day, they said they needed more money, which I sent them 200,000 naira. As you can see, remark to traffic victims. I sent them 200K slowly, and finally they landed Nigeria. So that is one of the main reasons that brought me here. Like I said, initially I was supposed to go to Nigeria. I went to a market in China to get gadgets. That was where I met this guy who is the president of Nigerian youth in Cote d'Ivoire. So the first thing he told me, he said, Verydarkman, there's a problem in Ivory Coast. A lot of Nigerians are being trafficked. A lot of girls around Africa, not just in Nigeria, they traffic them here to come and be sex workers in Ivory Coast. So please, you need to help create a massive awareness so that a lot of young girls will be aware, and also so that we can work together to put a stop on this thing. Even though we cannot entirely stop it, we'll put some measures down, you understand, so that it can help a lot of people not to be trafficked. So as for these people, I will also take their pictures and their videos to their authorities here, and when I get back to Nigeria, I will do the same. So to all those young girls, where somebody will come tell you one juicy talk, tell you say if they carry you go here, you go make more money, tell them if they carry their family members go. If it's that easy, they'll carry their own family members. Obviously, you get one star where they see from afar, where they say, okay, no, tell them to take their family members. A lot of girls don't cry as a result of these things. A lot of girls don't carry diseases as a result of this thing, where they live with up to today. So a lot of you need to be careful. Your desperation for money is just too crazy. And even the girls that they traffic, if nobody say una get big eyes, if nobody say greed don't finish una, sure you will leave your country because of one promises where you never see. But it don't happen. Una need to be careful. If you like, may you no learn. If you go learn the hard way, don't play. Peace and love.